it's Carol. Okay, I'm downstairs and I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I'm amazed at. First thing is this. This is True Lemon. It's crystallized lemon made from real lemons for cooking, baking, and seasoning. Equals 12 lemons in here. There's 12 lemons in here. It tastes delicious. You just put it on top of everything and it tastes amazing. The ingredients are crystallized lemon, lemon oil, lemon juice, maltodextrin, non-GMO, no artificial preservatives, and gluten-free. No calories, no sodium, no protein, no carbohydrates. It's amazing. And it looks like that. Crystallized lemon is wild, absolutely wild. I use this everywhere that you would use a real lemon. I love it. And I have the lime one too. Okay. So the second thing I want to show you is this monk fruit drops. Now I've always gotten monk fruit in the powder form. This is the drops, and sugar. 7 drops equals 1 tablespoon of sugar. So when I have my oatmeal, say in the morning, I put 7 drops of this. No calories, no glucose rise, no sugar. It's from the monk fruit, from the Tibetan monks, and I swear by it. Now, if you buy a different brand, I can't guarantee that it's going to be good. I've tried different brands and they leave a weird taste. This is really, really good. So, monk fruit, I'll put the link down below for you. Do you love mashed potatoes? And sometimes you don't have time to cook. I just boil a mug of water and then I pour this in. And this is the most delicious mashed potatoes. There's only one exception. This is the only one I can vouch for because I've tried it, I love it, and I haven't moved on to a different one, except there's only one exception. This one. Wow. This one is 6 grams of protein for a 1/4 cup of dry potatoes. 6 grams of protein. So you figure you're going to get maybe a 1/2 cup. So you're going to get 12 grams of protein. And I don't know about you. I need protein all day. That's the only thing that keeps my body going. Both of these are great. Show you the best protein pasta that I've tried. I've tried a few, and this is the best. The taste is just like the regular pasta. Barilla is always committed to bringing you the best pasta. The result is classic al dente pasta containing chickpeas, lentils, and peas for a good source of protein that cooks to perfection every time. That's how you get energy from protein. And it's really, really good. It tastes just like the regular Barilla. It's the absolute best. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And why not feed your family something with protein, right? Next is this pill case. Now you could use this for your vitamins, for your probiotics, for your calcium, for your B12, B1, vitamin C, vitamin D, or your medicine. And you just push it up. It has a rubber lining. You just press it down and press the bottom up. And I just like flip them all down, take my pills. I have cholesterol pills, blood pressure pills, calcium. I have some thyroid medication, and there's no spillage. It's really, really good. I love it. This is a great, great pill box. I mean, if you want to organize, put aspirins, put probiotics, put calcium, put your medication, your aspirin, whatever you need. It's very nice and secure. So thanks so much for watching. My next video is going to be about the Mimi Silk laser, at-home laser that I've been doing on my face every day for the past few months. So that's what I'm going to be showing you next. Oh, I have something else. I bought this hand cream. It's for crepey hands. Crepe Corrector. Age Renew, moisturizes plus 3 vitamins. 94% had visible improvement in appearance of hands in just 1 day. And I'm getting crepey. This is like a miracle. I'm just going to tell you what it claims. Urea cream is excellent for your hands. It acts as a powerful humectant, drawing moisture into the skin, and a keratolytic, gentle, breaking down dead skin cells. This combination deeply hydrates and softens thick, cracked, or severely dry skin without feeling overly greasy. With age, skin can become thinner and lose its ability to retain moisture and get very crepey, just like crepe paper. This hand cream for women and men is formulated with 7 moisturizers and 3 vitamins. It's great for dry skin. It improves your skin firmness and elasticity. It has visible improvement. The replenishing formula is clinically shown to visibly improve crepey skin. It also provides lasting hydration for 24 hours to plump up dry, aging skin and hydrate hands. Wow. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love reading your comments. I love seeing you, that you're here. And if you haven't subscribed, you could hit the subscribe button and the like button and share the video. So thank you so much. I love you all. You don't know how much I appreciate you. You lift my spirits and you make me happy. So I'll see you in my next video.